This foot right here in Decatur, Georgia, with my partner to finna blow y'all a song. His name is Benji. What's up, Benji?
Hey man, I'm very happy to be here today, even though we're in my house, but I'm glad to have you in my humble abode.
You see you can sing, huh, Benji?
Yes sir, I'm a singer, songwriter, and composer, and I'm gonna sing 3 short pieces.
Okay, let's see what you got.
The first song that I have is called I'll Be Here. So, here you go. Well, I'm sitting on the waterfront looking at the sun go down, 'cause you're no longer in my life. Well, at least for a little while. And now the clouds are rolling in and the rain starts to pour down, 'cause the distance is killing me and I can't swallow up the pain. But, oh, I'll be here. Ooh, I'll be here. All right. The second piece is called Friday Night. So this is more of a club going song, very upbeat. So,
upbeat. Let's go out.
Yeah, let's go out party, have a good time. All right. It's Friday night, let's celebrate. Y'all on the town, I'm on my way. Ooh, let's put it down. Yeah, excuse me. Alright. It's Friday night, let's celebrate. Y'all on the town, I'm on my way. Ooh, let's put it down. Yeah, I hooked the bait. Filling my prescription, a double shot of Vicks. Another one will get ya. On the road to this one, I love the girl in the back with the sundress on. Though it's cold in the world, she always keeps it warm. Goosebumps down her back, I love the way she moans. And she lies it. It's Friday night, let's celebrate. Y'all on the town, I'm on my way. Ooh, let's put it down. Yeah, I hooked the bass. Alright, and the last song is called Pillow Talk. And this is a nice, smooth, sexy song. It reminds me of something. I originally wrote the song with John Legend in mind. So I would, if I could possibly get it in his hand, it'd be a very, very great thing.
John, so, we gotta try to get this to you, boy.
Yeah, so, alright, let me. I've been around the world, seen so many things. I'll put you on some new hippie to some. Alright, it's all.
Go again.
Right. I've been around the world, seen so many things. I'll put you on some new hippie to some game. I never spoke any words quite so true. I never met anyone quite like you. You're the one that caught my eye. I opened up to realize, though this world is dark and gloom, we still have things that's pure and true. I had to catch myself 'cause I fell in love. I never thought it would be me in love. From all the past nonsense I've been through, I told myself relationships I won't do. But in life, yeah, things change. We open up to rearrange. In this love, we both can grow. If you never try, you never know. Oh, let's explore the different possibilities. I just want for you to spend some time with me. Girl, you know, let's share some pillow talk. Come along and lay with me, so much to see. Will indulge you, can't tell me your fantasies. Ooh, I want to talk to you, girl. And that's it.
Yes, yes.
I would like to give a shout out to my teammates,
Yo, mama?
Oh yeah, my mama right there, yeah, of course. Mama, the poet, Soul Imagery. Okay. And also to Sarah Gibson, that's my partner, and Timothy, and also Fresh. So
Y'all heard it. John, we're going to try to get you this song.
Yes, please, please. Anybody that know John Legend, please, come on. Help me out.
right here in Decatur, Georgia with my partner Gold Medal. What's up, man?
What's happening, big homie? Right now you see me right here at the racetrack, cover the highway, man. Putting in work 7 days a week. The new project, beating up the street. Already 10,000 sold. Already 10,000 sold.
Again, bro?
Already 10,000 sold 7 days a week, man.
So, bro, you want to leave a phone number, something to get with
look,
you?
man, you can get at me at Facebook, MySpace, MySpace / We Chopping Down on them, MySpace / Chop and Roll. You can hit me up at 44781-6817. And don't forget, we chopping down on this. Your boy Gold.
Show it to him one more time, bro.
7 days a week. This is what we do. 7 days a week,
bro. They try to get it going on up here.
Hey, I'm representing for Sabotage. I'm straight from Albany, GA, baby. Just check us out. When you come to Albany, come to Club Rivers on 1020 off of Holly and Slappy. Just holler at me.
You heard it, bro. You heard it, bro. They right here, covered in highway, trying to get that money.
Think you got talent, man? This is your chance.
A Showcase for Unsigned Talent is looking for aspiring artists of all kinds. This is your opportunity to show the people who matter that you've got what it takes. Visit ashowcaseforunsignedtalent.com and submit a short sample of the talent you believe the world should see. Agents, artists, studios, and industry insiders are looking for fresh, unsigned talent. This is your chance.
This is your chance.
Visit ashowcaseforunsignedtalent.com now.